Remove the strap keeper from the top of the mask and separate the strap from the buckle assembly. Grab the O-ring and secure it to the center of the bracket by feeding one end around the bracket and through the remaining loop of the O-ring. This creates a lark's head style knot. Open the leading loop of the O-ring and stretch it over and around the top buckle assembly. Bring the bracket to the top leading edge of the mask and align the holes on the bracket with the mount tabs on the mask. Install the screws into the bracket and tighten to secure the bracket firmly to the mask. A second screwdriver may be used to prevent the nut from rotating to ensure proper tightening. Reinstall the top mask strap into the buckle assembly with a strap keeper. After removing the strap keepers and straps, feed the leg straps through the loops. Reinstall the mask straps and keepers. The tabs from the shell alignment will fit into the top slots on the bump guard mounting bracket.